Tonight, new questions about whether officials at the Centers for Disease Control put politics before public health concerns when they scaled back a major study of toxic dust. The clues are found in previously undisclosed documents obtained by CBS News. Our chief investigative correspondent, Armen Keteyian, has this exclusive report.
It's worrisome. It's very worrisome.
Bernadette Erickson lives in Elmore, Ohio, where Brush Wellman operates the world's largest manufacturing plant for beryllium, a metal used to make parts found in nuclear weapons, golf clubs, and computer chips. During manufacturing, it produces a toxic dust. Exposure can cause an incurable, often fatal lung disease and possibly cancer. In 2001, in response to community concerns, the CDC began looking at whether beryllium dust from the plant was a health hazard. By 2005, CDC scientists pledged a thorough investigation with blood tests for 200 residents and household dust readings.
A sigh of relief comes over your family because testing is going to be done and the answers are coming.
In the spring of 2006, Brush Wellman threatened to withdraw plans for a new $40 million plant because of CDC research. At the urging of the company president, then Ohio Governor Bob Taft sent this handwritten note, obtained by CBS News, to Mike Leavitt, Secretary of Health and Human Services. In it, he complained that actions by the CDC's Agency for Toxic Substances, known as ATSDR, are a deterrent to choosing Ohio, adding, "Please have someone look into this and get back to me." Within days, the note was forwarded from Leavitt's office to that of CDC Director Julie Gerberding and quickly passed down to ATSDR managers. By April 14th, this internal document reveals the agency was taking a fresh look at scientific and related issues and a more limited approach in Elmore. Only 18 residents, not 200, would get blood tests. Household dust readings were out. In September 2006, just 5 months after the Ohio governor had sent his letter, and shortly after ATSDR had packed its bags and gone home, Brush Wellman announced that Elmore would be the site of its new 100,000 square foot production facility. Congress is investigating. Both Brush Wellman and Health and Human Services declined interview requests with CBS News. Dr. Thomas Sinks, a director at the CDC, said they used the best science.
There was no political pressure that affected our decision of what we were going to do.
No pressure from the governor of Ohio, no pressure from Secretary Leavitt, no pressure from Dr. Gerberding, who runs this agency.
I received no pressure that would have altered a decision that we made to go forward to use the most definitive test we could.
If we cannot rely on these agencies that come in on a big white horse and make all these promises, who are we going to trust?
Armen Keteyian, CBS News, Elmore, Ohio.